In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform and HubSpot for lead generation. This process is quick and straightforward, taking just a few minutes, and will significantly enhance the way you capture and nurture leads. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to the Typeform website at www.typeform.com. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner where you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, logging in is quite flexible. If you've already linked your Typeform account to your Google, Microsoft, or other authentication services, you can log in through those. Otherwise, simply enter your email address and password as credentials for access. After providing your login details, click on the Login button to proceed. Now that you're logged in, you'll need to select the form you want to connect with HubSpot. Be sure you know which form you're working with, as this determines which information gets passed onto your CRM. Once you've selected your desired form, look for the Connect tab within the settings. Clicking on this will lead you to various options for connecting your form with other applications. Next, you'll see an option labeled Integrations. Click on this and you'll be presented with a list of available applications that can be integrated with Typeform. From this list, choose HubSpot. After selecting HubSpot, you'll be prompted to log into your HubSpot account. This step is crucial as it authorizes the connection, allowing Typeform to sync data directly with HubSpot. Simply enter your HubSpot login credentials as you normally would, and grant the necessary permissions for an effective link between these two powerful tools. Connecting Typeform and HubSpot opens up a myriad of benefits for your team. First, it streamlines the lead capture process, allowing leads gathered from Typeform surveys or questionnaires to automatically flow into your HubSpot CRM, saving time and reducing the chance for errors. Also, with the ability to map fields accurately between the two platforms, you ensure improved data accuracy, which leads to better insights and decision making. Additionally, it enhances your lead nurturing capabilities. You can use the rich data collected through Typeform to tailor marketing automation efforts in HubSpot, creating more personalized and effective communications with your potential customers. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll have successfully connected Typeform with HubSpot, setting the stage for a more efficient lead generation process. Thanks for joining me today as we streamline your marketing efforts. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. See you next time.